got something different. As you know, the weather is like such a cold, rains are there, and of course we sing our tea and coffee. So today I have got an expert in Hyderabad. He is a coffee creator. I mean, art and crafts, we have heard about art, but coffee is also art of making. So well, I have a Shravan with me. I want my camera to focus on him. And welcome to Hyderabad.
Hello, hi.
You stay in Hyderabad?
Yes, I'm staying in Hyderabad.
Okay, you most of the time you're in Hyderabad.
Yes, I am.
So I mean, why we could not able to catch you?
I stay under the radar.
Acha, so you were not much on the media side
Oh, no,
or
no,
the.
no. But I'm on Instagram most of the time. Yeah.
Okay. So you keep doing your all activity in the Instagram, right?
Right, yeah. So I keep logging my coffee journey, everything on Instagram. And whatever coffees I brew, new coffees I brew with different equipment. So I keep logging it on Instagram.
So I just want to know, Shravan, is it your passion or it's your profession?
So this is a passion turned into profession right now. So, and I'm happy I chose this as my profession right now. So,
What is your background like?
so I'm an engineer.
Okay.
I've had 10 years of corporate experience.
Okay.
And then I found what is good coffee.
Okay.
And I could not turn back from coffee again.
But from an engineer, obviously, you know, all engineers love coffee because they need a break, right?
Yeah.
While drinking coffee, you had a love for coffee or from a childhood, like from
No.
your college days, you had a
No.
love for.
So unfortunately, during my travels, I found what is good coffee. Then I was in a pursuit to find good coffee. Then I made my research. Then I found what is good coffee, what is crafting coffee, artisanal coffees. That's when I found what's a pour over, what is a mocha pot, what's an espresso, what's a good espresso again. So the subject is very deep inside. So that is
But we always need to, you know, work so deeply when it comes to coffee, tea, or, you know, there are so many cafeterias are around, you know.
Yeah.
So it's like a research, it's an art. I mean, how you get into this? You must be learning it or just ho gaya? You experimented?
Oh no, there's a lot of certifications to be done. So I've done my barista certifications.
Okay.
I had my hand in coffee roasting. I'm not a roaster yet, so yes.
Okay.
So the field is very deep and it's a rabbit hole.
Okay.
Once you get in rabbit hole, it's very hard to come back outside.
So how many coffees you can make, and you have actually introduced new coffees which you will have never heard of, or only Shravan can get you on the table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there'll be crafting coffee mocktails, there'll be
Okay.
pour overs, there's Japanese stylized pour overs, there'll be hot pour overs, and sometimes with tea infusion coffee cocktails, coffee mocktails, and there are coffee cocktails. Like a neutral liquor can be used with coffee to make amazing coffee cocktails.
But I like this, you know, I think it will attract you all, Ratnagiri Estate. it's a coffee?
It's a coffee from Ratnagiri Coffee Estate.
Okay.
It's called Pearl Mountain.
Okay.
I could say this is the gold standard of Indian coffees. And it's
But Ratnagiri is like a name of the city or like...
Ratnagiri is a city in Maharashtra,
Yeah.
but this is a coffee estate in Chikmagalur.
Okay.
It's called Pearl Mountain.
Okay. But I heard of new teas also you have introduced, like berry tea.
Yeah.
What flavors they are like?
So it's mostly on the berry side with the fruity aromas and everything. So that gives a very refreshing feel when you're having it iced or hot.
So I mean, now how many years you are in this, like in creation, and how your journey is? Are you opening some shop is there or cafeteria is there? How to catch you?
I'll probably open a coffee shop in a while.
Okay, right now you have not done this.
I'm not done.
Okay.
So I'm helping Meet Shah and Gaurang's Kitchen and Maison Paints.
So how people get your coffee? They get a chance to drink your coffee.
So I'll be doing pop-ups every month.
Okay.
I'll be doing flea markets every month.
Okay.
It's on Instagram, it's on brand pages. People can just look at that.
So how your Instagram, I heard like it's booming like anything.
Oh, no, it's
how
not.
people respond to that?
It's nice. It's a community building event basically. So it's a great chance to connect with the community all the time. So the community is fantastic.
So you're promoting, because in Instagram and social media people promote other brands. So you're promoting your own brand like
No,
coffee?
I promote every brand.
Coffee.
Coffee is coffee.
Okay.
Any coffee is coffee.
So can you just make some coffee which actually, you know, attract to the viewers, or the style of making? Obviously every man make coffee. A simple, you know, just making a coffee.
I'll give a choice.
How your choices, I mean, how your
What
coffee
do you want to
making
try?
is
Do you want to
different?
try a crafted beverage which is more coffee and less milk?
Okay, and?
It's kind of I call it a cutting chai wala coffee.
Acha, cutting chai wala coffee.
So
okay.
it's a cappuccino and it's a cortado.
Okay.
It's equal amount of coffee and equal amount of milk.
Okay.
You can try that if you want to.
Okay, but I want something different style of making. Yeah, like
Not espresso.
whatever you feel comfortable. I don't want you should make simple coffee. Something, you know,
Pour over.
with your activities, people should get attracted, you know.
What
What
about
you are expert in.
I'm okay in everything.
Okay.
I'm sure.
So, well, an engineer turned into a coffee creator. So, let's see how he makes coffee. Well, everybody makes coffee, but what makes you special that I need to prove today, right?
Sure.
You need to prove yourself. So, what you are making? Tell our viewers.
I'll be making espresso based beverage. It's called Cortado.
Okay.
Cortado is equal amount of coffee, espresso and equal amount of milk. So if the espresso is the base of the beverage, if the espresso is not good, the milk turns very bad.
Okay.
So you have to craft your espresso very nicely from selection the coffee beans, the grinder, the grind size and the good machine.
Okay.
So all this combination will get a good beverage.
Okay. So, what is the coffee name?
It's called Cortado.
Kottaru. It's a Telugu name.
Cortado.
Kottaru. What that means?
So it's basically means a half beverage.
Okay, half beverage.
Yeah.
So, how you're making it like? Okay, it's a normal way of making.
Yes. This is basically I'm grinding the coffee right now. I'm distributing the coffee.
Can you make all this at home?
You can if you buy the machine and everything.
Okay. So, the normal coffee you're using?
I'm using a washed Arabica from Chikmagalur.
Okay. From where it is?
Chikmagalur region, Chikmagalur Hills.
Okay. The all coffees are from different
Regions, yes.
regions you have
Yeah.
collected. Okay.
Yeah. So you can see the espresso flow that's coming out. So we can say that's the perfect espresso flow for good extraction, good coffee in general.
That's
So
it?
I'll steam the milk
Okay.
and pour over it.
Okay. There's a different way of style of making. Mostly we do in different way, right? So coffee and
Yeah.
milk will be mixed. Okay.
So I'll be steaming the milk using a steam one. That silky texture of the milk, whatever you see here, will give the beverage a good texture.
Okay. Oh wow. The style of making. Oh my god, how is this shape is coming so cute.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's the beverage we crafted for you today.
Wow. Because you made it this flower something
Yeah.
like design. How many designs you can make on the coffee?
There are multiple designs you can call it.
No,
People
you do it like you are a creator,
I do
right?
a heart, I do a tulip,
Okay.
I do a different designs.
What is a difficult design till now you had? Like it was difficult for you, not
I
easy.
don't
You
call them-
actually worked on that.
So this is something I worked on.
Okay.
I probably made around hundreds of beverages to get this design properly.
Okay. So I think this is also art of like you need to
Yeah,
work
yeah.
hard and really
So you need
making
to have the
design.
right milk with right fat percentage.
Okay.
Steam the milk
Okay.
in a proper temperature.
Okay.
If you steam the temperature milk beyond 70 degrees, it gets burnt and gets blobby.
But what is the design? Can you explain? It's something different, like it's a heart or something?
It's kind of a tulip.
Tulip. Okay, nice. And sugar you can have according to your like.
So the
Huh.
beverage we craft, we care about our coffee.
Okay.
We get the coffee. We have every control on the coffee. We are getting it from the producer, from the roaster, and everything. We know the entire supply chain. So we know the kind of coffee we are getting it. So we watch for the quality. And with good coffee, you don't need sugar.
You don't need sugar with the coffee.
You don't need to.
So I think his coffee is there no need of having sugar.
Yeah.
You're trying to tell me this
If you want, you can have it. You can have with sugar, but please try without sugar. Once.
without sugar. So these are the coffee without sugar.
Yeah.
That's very catchy point, I must say.
Yeah.
And the coffee is from where you're getting, from where you're collecting.
So there are coffees grown from equator to Tropic of Capricorn.
Okay.
The entire world, in the entire globe, so coffee can be found in these regions at an elevation above 1000 meters.
Okay. So are you collecting or are you going personally to collect all these coffees?
So we talk to producers, we talk to roasters, get the coffee roasted according to our profiles, and we give it to our coffee clients. My client is Mirsha right now, and we get it crafted like that. So that's why we call it craft coffee and artisanal coffee. It's not just anything that you buy off the shelf.
Okay. So what is the best compliment you have got till now? Somebody has actually become a fan of your coffee.
That will be my wife.
Oh,
She's a-
great, yeah. I mean, that's great.
She's a chai person.
Okay, you converted her into a coffee person. That's a great job. Okay.
And my wife is sitting right there.
Okay, okay. So she just don't want to do a job of making tea for you. That's why she converted, I think. Okay.
Probably.
So she gave you the compliment, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So now you go for coffee dates, I think, most of the time.
Most of the time, yes.
Okay. So and from other like fans, they have complimented you. Especially they came and complimented
People
your
like
coffee.
pour overs in general, and coffee is a very subjective taste. So it depends. One might like, one might not like. But
So
we
any
try to-
celebrity have tasted your coffee, or in your Insta they have pinged you or
Not yet.
something? Nothing. You have anything in your mind that I would like to take somebody on coffee date?
That is my
Actor
wish.
or actor? Of course, but actor, you would like to make a special coffee for them. Your favorite actor, and you would like to serve a special coffee for him.
That would be Tarun Bhaskar, the director.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So you want to have which coffee you would like to offer him?
I'll pour over probably.
Okay,
Anything he wants, basically.
okay. And other actors, if we talk about who are favorite,
I like Junior NTR.
okay. What coffee you will serve him?
Cortado probably.
That's-
an espresso first,
Okay.
then a cortado.
So you know all the celebrity, what kind of coffee lover they are? You have any
No
idea? Have you
idea.
researched about them?
No idea.
But you will serve them,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
If Prabhas comes for your coffee,
I'll serve him whatever he wants. Yes.
know what you want.
I'll serve him a pour over probably.
Okay,
Probably in a shaken mocktail.
okay,
Coffee mocktail.
okay. For Junior NTR, you said which coffee?
Cortado, espresso.
Okay. For Ram Charan?
Whatever he wants. It's up to their choice.
But one actress you say you want to, your special coffee you want her to taste. Your favorite actress?
Samantha.
मेरे को लग रहा था. Samantha, so which flavor she should taste your coffee like?
She should have a pour over.
Okay.
Japanese style ice pour over.
Okay, that coffee you want her, that she
Yes.
should taste that.
Yes.
This is a Ratnagiri.
Great. So I think you are in a Goran kitchen right now, and I think he's also involved, so much involved. He has just opened his
Thank you.
kitchen.
Right.
So what do you have to say? I want you to come together.
Yeah.
Are you guys having what? It's tea or coffee?
This
Or
is coffee.
no, when two men are together,
You
they
can
can't
try
have two coffees or tea together, right?
It's a Japanese style ice pour
This
over.
is an ice pour over. This is Ratnagiri's 90 hours carbonic maceration.
Okay.
This tastes like mango passion fruit.
But you had a passion for food, I know, last time. But
Yeah.
how you get converted into coffee now?
So we had a coffee machine. Then this love for coffee started. Then I met him in a brewing event.
Okay.
Then he taught me how to brew coffee. And
Okay.
then he's here today.
I know
with
you're
us.
so much involved making so many coffees. So how many coffees have you learned till now? With him,
Basically
like
the entire menu.
The entire
you
menu.
learned.
Yeah,
He made you learn.
yeah.
As
Okay.
an owner, he has to learn everything.
Oh yeah. So I think you can train also, like you train people, like for
Not much.
Yeah.
But yes, I can give them a basic guidelines how to do things.
okay.
I'm not much of a trainer yet,
Okay.
but I hope to be one.
Hmm.
But I can always give them guidelines how to
Okay.
make good coffee,
Okay.
how to have consistency.
Hmm.
So that's the key points of what I want to tell people. A consistent cup of coffee will give you customers.
So we just wanted, if you can say some normal tips, like who are coffee lovers and they can't have a machine, but at homes with small tips they can make good coffee. What tips you would like to give?
Don't use too hot water. Probably use it at 90 degrees centigrade to make a French press, whatever it is. Try buying a French press at first, get pre-ground coffee, brew it at home, enjoy the coffee, then come back.
Wow. So how many you have tasted till now?
From him,
Yeah,
everything.
everything. Are you a coffee lover?
I am. So yesterday during the pop-up, we had around 14 coffees each
Okay.
or more.
Okay.
Might be more.
Okay. So you tasted all 14.
Everything.
So before giving the customer, espresso is our base beverage. So we try to have at least 4 to 5 espressos before giving the customer.
Okay.
So to make sure the espresso is coming out properly every time. So
But normally, normal espressos we are actually tasting. I want you to say some different coffees name which you have actually got, like you'll not get in Hyderabad, like in a normal cafeteria. What are these coffees will be?
Usually, Hyderabad has there are a lot of coffee shops coming up. You have every type of coffee in Hyderabad right now. But international coffees is something people don't usually do as espressos over here.
Yes.
So we are going to try to get international coffee for one of our espresso specialty blends.
So like when they have to come here, what coffees are you offering? Would you like to say, like
So
different, they can experience it?
So we are giving Ratnagiri 90 hours carbonic right now. We are
Okay.
also giving a Salwara estate.
Okay.
We recently got a geisha from 3 Coffee from Dubai right now.
Okay.
And we are doing specialty teas also.
Okay.
So the berry tea you tried.
Yeah.
Then we are going to get into more different types of teas. We are still sourcing up those right now.
Oh, great. I must say and give you really congratulations with this tie-up, getting a coffee creator in this, and you are also now learning and doing good coffees. I think more coffees will be made by you.
Okay.
Like the guest will first say, please Reet, come, your name is
Meet.
Meet.
Yeah.
They will say, come and make coffee for us,
Yeah.
right? So now he become a food expert
Correct.
from coffee maker, right?
Right.
So thank you so much both of
you so
you
much.
joining us and making us aware how coffee is made and it's art also. So
Yes.
keep going, and for
Thank
more
you so much.
coffees. And if you're inventing some more, just let
Sure.
us know.
I'll let you show. Yes.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
So that was more informative interview. For more updates, keep watching